Well, we start in the United States, and 2 people have died and at least 22 have been injured. It's after a Mexican Navy training ship crashed into New York City's Brooklyn Bridge. It was during a festive visit to the country. Footage has emerged showing towering masts of the ship clipping the bridge as the sailing vessel was passing under the famous structure on Saturday evening. Parts of the mast reportedly fell onto the deck. New York City's emergency management said it was responding to an incident without giving any further details. Eyewitnesses described the moment the boat made contact with the bridge.
The boat kind of just like was going past the bridge, and we just saw the top of it snap off, and it just like kept on snapping. And I think there was a person dangling from the top.
Yeah. I couldn't tell if it was just blurry or just my eyes. I mean, we were able to zoom in on our phone, and there was someone dangling from a harness from the top for like at least like 15 minutes before they were able to rescue them.
Yeah, and then we just stayed the entire time watching the
National Guard came, I think, the firefighter, everyone just.
Someone was dangling from the top. They were trying to pull him up. There was a bunch of people up top. It was just, at first, like, we just didn't know what was
going on.
happening.
That was a show, honestly.
Yeah, it was.
And then it just kept getting worse.
Well, our reporter, Pratiksha Kadil, gave us this update from the scene.
I've been here for just over a couple of hours now, and you can see the iconic Brooklyn Bridge behind me. Pretty dramatic scenes unfolded here just a few hours ago. We believe it was just after sunset here on the East River that you can see behind me when this incident happened. The vessel supposed to be a Mexican Navy ship, a Navy sail ship, carrying 277 Mexican cadets on board. Apparently, this is a custom. It happens at the end of training. Every year, they were on a promotional tour. There are reports that the ship may have lost power just before the collision, and that may have caused the incident. Dramatic social media videos that we've been seeing show us how it slowly went towards the bridge in my background there, and the masts grazed the very bottom of that bridge with some debris seen falling off. And this was happening at a time when the bridge was busy with traffic. There was traffic going both ways. It's a multi-lane bridge. There's also a subway that goes there. But then in the aftermath, of course, it was all shut down and New Yorkers were told to avoid the area.
What do you know about those who've been killed and injured?
Very scant details emerging as of now. All that we have heard from the mayor is that nobody seems to have fallen into the water. And there were a couple of cadets reportedly on the mast. We still don't have clarity who are the deceased, how did this happen, and how did they receive their very serious injuries. But earlier, the mayor did say that 4 were seriously injured. We will discover soon whether the 2 of the deceased are among those who were seriously injured.
And it seems from the pictures we're seeing that quite a lot of people were watching as this accident happened.
That's right, because remember, Brooklyn Bridge is a New York City tourist hotspot. It's famous. It's on every tourist guide, every tourist book. The tourists who come here also like straddle it up and down. They walk the bridge to see panoramic views of the skyline of the New York City. Very beautiful sunsets and sunrises can be seen here. Brooklyn Bridge itself, a very old bridge. It's been here since the 1800s and is quite majestic looking, as you can see. So, of course, there were people here who were watching this unfold as it happened. And when the ship seems to have lost slight control, it veered towards the shore where people were standing and watching. And you can see them running from the scene after that.